Imagine standing on a cliff, the wind howling, your heart pounding as you stare into the abyss of your own potential. One step forward, and you could soar, unshackled, toward a life of purpose and power. But something holds you back. A silent chain you've been told is no big deal. Compulsive masturbation, a habit society shrugs off as normal, is quietly stealing your fire, clouding your clarity, and dimming your dreams. This isn't about shame. It's about awakening. The Stoicism mindset, forged by ancient warriors like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca, offers you a sword to cut those chains. Today, we're diving into the Stoicism mindset to uncover why this habit traps you, how it erodes your mental health, and what practical Stoic tools can set you free. Picture yourself in 14 days, confident, focused, unstoppable. Ready to claim your Stoic reign with the Stoicism mindset? Let's ignite that spark. You felt it. The urge hits, promising a quick escape from stress or boredom. For a moment, it's relief. But then a fog settles. You're drained, your motivation fading, a shadow of who you could be. The Stoicism mindset reveals this habit. Whether it feels like a chain or a minor distraction, can steal your clarity. Neuroscience research suggests each indulgence spikes dopamine, nudging your brain toward instant gratification over lasting goals. The Stoicism mindset calls this a quiet betrayal, not of morality but of your potential, your focus, your drive, your mental health. Meet Alex, a 28-year-old coder from Austin, whose late-night coding marathons were derailed by compulsive distractions. "I'd wake up foggy, like I was betraying my dreams," he says. The Stoicism mindset, inspired by Seneca's words, "No person is free who is a slave to their body," showed Alex the cost. With the Stoicism mindset, you too can see the Ito, truth, and choose to rise. Stoic philosophy, the forge of the Stoicism mindset, faces reality head-on. Marcus Aurelius, scribbling in war-torn Rome, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." The Stoicism mindset applies this to your habits. Each time you chase a fleeting dopamine rush, you train your mind to prioritize ease over effort, weakening your will. Pleasure, the Stoicism mindset teaches, is a mirage, offering joy, but leaving you hollow, like a feast that starves you. Take Sarah, a 33-year-old teacher from Melbourne, who turned to late-night indulgences to ease grating stress. "I was hiding from my anxiety," she admits. The Stoicism mindset led her to reflection, replacing escapism with calm. The Stoicism mindset isn't just for warriors. It's for anyone craving productivity and peace. Picture 2 a.m., alone, the glow of a screen casting shadows, the weight of a wasted night crushing you. This was Mia, a 30-year-old watercolor artist from Lisbon, whose vibrant paintings sat unfinished. "I'd cry after giving in, feeling my creativity slip away," she says. The Stoicism mindset became her anvil. Reading Epictetus, a former slave turned Stoic sage, she found his truth. No one is truly free who is not master of themselves. That night, Mia vowed to forge a new path, not from guilt, but from love for her art. The Stoicism mindset isn't about self-punishment. It's about crafting a life of purpose. Mia's awakening proves that your lowest moment can spark your Stoicism mindset. Now let's shift gears. The Stoicism mindset offers 3 pillars to forge your freedom: self-discipline, purpose, and transmutation, each rooted in Stoic philosophy to fuel your Stoicism mindset. Discipline is the hammer of the Stoicism mindset, shaping your strength. Each resisted urge proves you're in control. Start small. Commit to 1 day without indulgence, replacing it with a Stoic act, like a morning walk or reading Seneca by lamplight. Consistency forges resilience. Vikram, a 36-year-old accountant from Delhi, saw his focus crumble under compulsive habits. The Stoicism mindset inspired a rule: no distractions until tasks were done. "Each win felt like reclaiming my life," he says, his raise a testament to discipline. Seneca warned, "We are more often defeated by ourselves than by others." The Stoicism mindset makes discipline your craft. Purpose is the flame of the eye. Stoicism mindset illuminating your path. Without a mission, distractions reign. Ask, what do you want to build? A career, a skill, stronger bonds? Purpose dwarfs fleeting pleasures. Clara, a 29-year-old nurse from Vancouver, used indulgences to escape grueling shifts, but it left her empty. The Stoicism mindset sparked a goal to mentor new nurses. Helping others lit me up, she says, her mental health soaring. The Stoicism mindset calls you to live for something greater, forging a life of impact. The Stoicism mindset truly shines in transmutation, turning raw urges into creations. Stoic philosophy views desire as energy to be shaped, not squandered. Hit the gym, write a poem, launch a project. Think of J.K. Rowling, channeling adversity into stories that changed the world, a modern Stoic. Finn, a 40-year-old barista from Glasgow, felt trapped by loneliness and habits. The Stoicism mindset led him to paint, his landscapes now gracing cafes. I found my soul again, he says. Stoicism mindset transforms energy into legacy. Fast forward to Omar, a 25-year-old student from Cairo, whose story will seize your heart. In a cramped apartment, his engineering dreams faded under compulsive distractions. One night, a Marcus Aurelius quote struck him. Waste no more time arguing what a good person should be. Be one. Tears fell, not from shame, but from a vision of his Stoicism mindset unleashed. Omar poured energy into study, his Bedouin heritage fueling his resolve. Months later, he graduated with honors, proving the Stoicism mindset forges destinies. Omar's triumph shows the Stoicism mindset builds not just freedom but greatness. What happens when you embrace the Stoicism mindset? Physically, you'll surge with energy, as studies link reduced dopamine spikes to sharper focus. Mentally, clarity replaces fog, with less anxiety and newfound confidence. The Stoicism mindset's daily choices yield massive change. Emotionally, you'll find calm, deepening relationships. Spiritually, you'll align with purpose, living Seneca's truth. There is no easy way from the earth to the stars. Imagine waking driven, your Stoicism mindset carving a path to productivity. Nia, a 31-year-old freelancer from Nairobi, saw her writing stall under self-doubt. The Stoicism mindset swapped distractions for meditation. Her viral article proved the Stoicism mindset unlocks potential. Ready to forge your Stoicism mindset? These 5 exercises, crafted for all, sharpen mental health, mindfulness, and productivity. Pause 10 seconds when an urge hits. Ask, does this serve my Stoicism mindset? This sparks awareness, choosing strength. Daily practice eases anxiety. Each morning, write 1 sentence about your mission, like mastering a craft. Read it aloud to anchor your Stoicism mindset. Share it with a friend. When temptation strikes, channel energy into a 5-minute burst. Stretch, sketch, or organize. This Stoicism mindset practice turns urges into progress. At night, reflect on a temptation. Write your response and 1 improvement. This Stoicism mindset ritual builds growth without judgment. Before bed, list 3 things you're grateful for and 1 challenge, reframing it as growth. This aligns with the Stoicism mindset's resilience. This is your moment. Will you let fleeting pleasures dull your edge or rise, forging your Stoic reign with the Stoicism mindset? Stoic philosophy teaches greatness is crafted through discipline. Your challenge: commit to 14 days of the Stoicism mindset. Choose 1 exercise and 1 habit to replace, like indulgence or scrolling. Track progress in a journal or with a friend. Marcus Aurelius urged, you have power over your mind. Act like it. Picture yourself in 2 weeks, confident, clear, alive with purpose. That's the Stoicism mindset, your forge for mental health, motivation, and productivity. The Stoicism mindset is a revolution, forging you free to live with resilience and power. From Alex's clarity to Mia's art, from Omar's diploma to Nia's words, the Stoicism mindset transforms lives. Now it's your turn. Start small, practice daily, draw strength from Stoic wisdom, and forge your Stoicism mindset. Whether new to Stoicism or honing your craft, discipline is freedom. Seneca said, "You must change your life, not just your habits." The world roars, but your Stoicism mindset roars louder. Commit now. Your future self, bold, unshaken, awaits. Step into the forge. The stars are yours. This journey starts with you. Subscribe to join our Stoic tribe and never miss a spark of wisdom. Comment below. Which Stoicism mindset exercise will you start with? Or how has discipline shaped your path? Like and share with the Stoic Mindset Challenge to ignite a community of growth. Let's forge greatness together.